What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. I was recently looking at the subscribers that I have, and I reached 2,000 and I didn't even pay attention to it. So thank you for all the subs, thank you for all the new subscribers, thank you for the comments, thank you for the likes, thank you for the love. For those of you who are new tuning in, make sure you subscribe. We got a bunch of videos, a bunch of plans, a bunch of modifications, a bunch of DIY stuff, so make sure you guys tune in, subscribe. It helps the channel. So for today's video, we're just going to be kind of doing a little part 2. I noticed that AIROUt, the front of the car, stops at a certain spot. I thought it was the strut itself, but it's actually the strut tower. So I've lowered it more than this, obviously, and it doesn't go any lower. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting the strut towers. We're also going to be fixing the LED strip that is inside of the AIROUt side mirrors. I'll be showing you guys how to do that. We got some new LED strips with daytime running lights, so that's a new addition to the car. So yeah, make sure you guys tune in. We got a good video. I think we're going to start with the side mirrors. So I'm gonna have to take the door card out and be able to unbolt the side mirror. So yeah, let's get to do that. Strips right here. These are like 10 bucks. So this modification is very cheap. So let's just remove this, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Wire to here, comes out. One of the wires gonna come out through here, other one plugs into the inside of that. So we're gonna have to figure out how to get that wire from in here to come out here. All right, now we got to take these out. These 3. This is for the railing of the track of the window. So just the 3 inner ones, 1, 2, and 3. That should pop this out, and then I'll take the unplug the plug. Oh, this is what I have connected to the switch here. So alright, so I went ahead, cleaned this up a little bit because I just want to make sure everything is good. So we got these, and then I know how to differentiate, loom this one up. So now we can unplug it and take the whole assembly out. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. It might be hard for you guys, but mine is already open. All right, so here you see how it's wired for the plug. So one side is negative, one side is positive. All right, this is it. Just gonna plug it up, put the housing back in, and then wire this. Just wire it to the puddle lights. And that way we don't have to deal with messing with other wires and things like that. So I'm passing the wire through there, and I'm just connected to the power of the puddle lights, and it should work. Alright guys, we just got them done. Let me show you. It's pretty early, so you might not be able to see it, but I'm gonna take some night shots. I got it with the puddle light. We got the towers cut and painted so rust doesn't happen. I have to paint it a little bit right here, but should be good for the most part. I'm just gonna air out real quick and see how low it sits. Looks better. Definitely a lot lower in the front. Alright guys, so we just got done with the cutting of the strut towers. We also got the side mirrors to function properly. I'm gonna leave you guys with a little bit of some cinematics on that. So definitely sitting lower. Definitely matching the rear with cutting the strut towers. Slowly just prepping to get the wrap going on this car. Definitely want to get the summer started off right. So, you know, if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. All the OGs, you know, everybody that's subscribed. 2,000 subscribers is kind of crazy. It's not a lot, but to me it's crazy, you know. It's definitely a milestone, but we're only gonna go up from here. We got more content coming, so stay tuned and make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff to help the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.